funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring us suckers down.
Hi guys, it's Whitney Q and I'm back here with a slightly different video. I'm not all made up, I'm not in the studio. I'm here in my bedroom getting ready to head out to host. You know that I am a host, I am a presenter, and I thought, you know what, let me take you guys on this journey. Let me vlog today and show you guys what it's like being a host and what it entails in getting ready to be on stage to look presentable and speak in front of a large crowd. So that's today's video. We're going to do a couple of other things as well, but that's the main point of this video. A little vlog just to see, you know, behind the scenes of what it's like to be a host. I've literally just come out of the shower. As you can see, my hair is just so I am going to get ready and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So yes, this is the vlog of today. So I've moussed up my hair. I'm going to literally wrap it and that's it. And then when I get to the theatre, I'm going to style it and I'll show you guys how I style it. But this is basically what all I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going to do my skincare routine, moisturize myself and literally get out. So that's it. I'm going to do, but I do need to iron this dress right here. I do need to iron the dress. I'm going to iron it really quickly, fold it nicely, and then yeah, basically get ready at the theatre because it's really hot in the UK at the moment, well in London anyway. It's really hot. So if I was to get ready at home and then go out, I will, no, the heat will just take away me getting ready. So, and TFO, not all of the lines have AC, only the Circle District line. So we're gonna get ready in the theatre. Okay, so I've wrapped it all up and we're gonna rely on the good old sun to dry the hair, and then when I get to theatre, then I will style it. So this is the dress I'm going to be wearing today, this green number. I've worn this dress I think twice. One time to a wedding, one time to an event in Ghana. But this time I'm going to wear it. I love what it does to my skin tone. So we are wearing this dress. But it needs to be ironed, so we're going to iron this real quick. So I'm here ironing the dress and I really don't like ironing. Like, I hate it so much. I feel like men are better at ironing than women, in my opinion anyway. I just don't like ironing. But I really like this dress. I love the colour, as I said previously. So I will iron it, I guess. And the thing is that I'm not going to wear it on the way, so it might get creased up again by the time I get to the theatre. But you know what, let me do my best now and iron. But I generally don't like ironing. I remember in school, I used to only iron the collar of my shirt, especially in winter when we had jumper or sweaters over the shirt. I used to just iron the collar because ain't nobody gonna see what's underneath it. It's me being energy efficient.
You think so they're wise?
It's me not wasting, oop, let me not even burn my bed sheet, see? I just don't like ironing. I just don't like ironing, but yeah. I do know steaming is better, but if I was to steam, I should have steamed this last night and I didn't because I got in pretty late last night. As I said, I've been doing this show for the past 3 days. So yeah, but anyway, it seems to be coming together. Yeah. So I wanted to share with you what I'm currently putting on my skin, and this is from Organic to Green. However, I did not know about this brand Organic to Green. I got this from a subscription box, Wellness Treats, and Wellness Treats is a monthly subscription box that I have that gives me stuff that helps with my personal care, and I really love this balm. But I'm gonna put a link below of where I get my Wellness Treats box. It's a monthly subscription. They've got some great stuff in there and it exposes you to new brands that you didn't know about. Of course, you know about the Aveeno, the body oil spray. I love it so much. Keeps me moisturized throughout the day, and on top of it all, I do put on SPF because the sun is shining. But these are the two bases that I have. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing. It is hot outside, but I just want to wear trousers. There's some days that you just want to wear trousers. About to leave. Time to put SPF on. Remember my other videos I said that I've got like inspirational post-it notes all over? This is it here. This is kind of meant to be like a praise or closet kind of thing, so I just got one post about praying. I'm gonna add more, but yeah, it's really important to have inspirational quotes in your environment because you just never know. You never know, you might be having a bad day. Just look up and see you're amazing and you're like, I am that girl, you know. But anyway, I'm ready to face the sun. So let's go. I've left. I'm gonna go to the car. I'm thinking, should I have the roof down? I have a convertible, and you know what? Days like this is made for the convertible, you know? So yeah, I think I might have the roof down. I'm only driving to the station, but you know. We are in the car. Oh, safety first. Have to put on your seatbelt. But we're in the car and the roof is down. My gosh, the sun is blazing today. The sun is really blazing. We might even have to have the window down. But let's head off to the station. Let's get the train all the way to South London. It's far, so it's on the other side. But summertime in the city. You know that song? Ever blazing, girl. Blazing up the place, blazing up the place. That is exactly what the sun is doing. The sun is out. The sun is blazing. Okay? The sun is here to say like, hello, summertime in the city. But I really enjoy the sun. I love the sun. Because when winter comes, I will be complaining. So I don't like to complain. Oh, it's too hot. Even though it is very, very hot. But I don't like to complain because the sun's shining. The sun is sweet, you know? Anyway, let's get to the station. So I'm in Earls Court. Earls Court is one of those places that I had no business here. Never been here before until I needed to do these shows. But I'm hungry and I am early, so I'm going to treat myself to a cheeky Nando's. We love a Nando's, yes we did. And yeah, I'm not eating all day because I've been doing intermittent fasting, so I'm allowed to eat now. So here we are. Got me some Nando's quinoa salad, chicken breast. We gotta get protein. Almost finished with my olives. Some chicken wings. So I finished my meal in Nando's and I'm on my way to the theatre. And then I had this craving for something sweet. Oh my gosh. I passed M&S. I was like, oh, let me go into M&S. But you know, I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to look right. I'm trying to be healthy. So instead of a sweet dessert, like a croissant, which I really, really want, I opted for a protein bar. So it's a little bit sweet, but it's got protein. So yeah, honestly, this health journey is so much discipline, and it just takes time you have to literally be like trying to get rid of how you're feeling in the moment. Oh gosh. Anyway, we carry on. So I walk in to the theatre. It's getting windy and these bits keep flying in my eyes because I should wear my sunglasses. But anyway, this is Earls Court, West London, and yeah, it's just gone windy all of a sudden, but it's a nice breeze. It's just that things get caught up in your eye. But yeah, walk in. It's about a 20-minute walk to the theatre. A way to get my steps in. Yesterday I did an intense walk. I did a Victoria line walk. Go check it out on my TikTok. Did a Victoria line. It took us about 5 hours from Walthamstow to Brixton. 25 kilometers. It's a long walk. So I'm kind of tired. I'm actually exhausted if I think about it. But you know what, it's cool. But I would like to clock in 10,000 steps. So far I've done 2,800. Maybe I might clock in 10,000 by the end of the day. Let's find out. But yes, walking the streets of West London. Here we are, Chelsea Theatre. Okay, so I finished getting ready. It was mayhem back there. Here's some of the cast members. Say hi, Trima. Yes. And this is the outfit. We're wearing green today.
It's green.
Green. And I'm gonna have my blueberries because
Let me say hi.
You say hi. I'm here eating some blueberries because that's what I'm allowed to eat in this diet. So blueberries before we start the show. Okay, the doors are about to open. I'm about to let them all in and usher them in and be like, filter from the left. But yes, I'm gonna start hosting real soon. But yeah, sorry I couldn't get much of me getting ready. It was just mayhem. The sun was hot, and I'm like, oh, this is it. This is the final look. I am hot. I'm so hot. Anyway, I have started off the show. I introduced myself. I said to them that they should switch off the phone and have an interactive Q&A session at the end. And yeah, so right now I'm just sat out here in the foyer. I'm just trying to keep cool, but I'm hot. Anyway, still got a while to go.
Splendid! I'm absolutely delighted to be here.
That's great. So, I love to ask my guests this question. What is something we don't typically know?
So we are at the second part of the show. Let them in. There were some late comers that came and missed the first half of the show, but I managed to get them some seats. So I'm just out here with my water, and because I've watched the show about 3 times now, I know kind of what happens, and I can see my cues because basically I'm out here and the actors come through this door and they go through this door, and then when I see them with certain props, I'm like, okay, cool, we're getting towards the end of the show. Then I just sit inside and then I will lead a Q&A. But for now, I'm out here sipping my drink with my straw that matches my dress, you know? What I like about hosting is meeting new people, interacting. I like public speaking. I don't know why. I like the challenge of it. I'm not shy. I'm quite extroverted. I used to actually be a drama student, so I think that actually explains why I just like performing and being in front of people. So yeah, I like hosting. So if you ever want me to host anything, baby shower, bridal showers, weddings, let me know. You can get in touch with me. I'm gonna put my details up on the screen. And yeah, let your girl host you. Let your girl bring the vibes. I will bring the vibes. I'll bring the good vibes. This is me really selling myself. But I do thoroughly enjoy hosting, and it's something that I would love to do full time. So I'm trying to push it and pursue it. So I'm here if you need me.
Every type of injustice represents every traumas that our child would have to deal with. The lack of money makes people do that unimaginable. If you don't let your past die, then it won't make.
Tonight, you guys got a good show. You got a really good show. So have we got any questions from the audience? I did ask before to get your questions ready. Don't embarrass me. So have you got any questions? Any questions at all? Any? Don't be shy. Okay.
I was gonna ask what was
Roy home, my friend's here. Hey! And she came and helped me film. So all the clips that you see me filming is her. She came all the way to support me. But yeah, we are just on our way back home, all the way back to East London. So yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Bye!
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.